Hi everyone, Sheree here. Today I've got the beautiful new Felicity Jane June kit that's just arrived at my place, so I thought I would open it up and share with you what is inside. So here we go. Alright, so I've got some extra white cardstock and I've got the A5 notebook from the June collection as well with that beautiful diagonal yellow stripe. So I'll pull that out. So I've got those as extras this month. Okay, so here's our little June thank you card. You can see there, that usually comes on every order. Super cute. All right, let's open up this bow and take a look underneath. Okay, lots of beautiful things. Oh, I'm loving these alphabets. Really fun stamp set. Lots of fun things here. So I'll pull everything out of the box and we'll take a closer look. Okay, I've got everything out of the box now and I have turned my lights on so that you get a really good look at these beautiful things. I don't have the journaling cards. They didn't come in my package, but they are making their way to me separately. So I apologize, I don't have those to show you today, but I do have everything else. So let's take a closer look at the June puffy alphabet. I love this really fun font. It's in a gorgeous minty green color, multiples of each letter, and we also have multiples of the numbers as well. Really fun size. I love this smaller size. It's really handy for so many things. So that is the June puffy alphabet. Super cute. We also have the June stamp set. We've got the sun image in the top corner here. We also have lots of fun phrases such as summer, state of mind, fun, this view, in the sun, cookout, stories, snuggles, adventures, slow down, road trip, days, explore, outside, vacation mode, here, camp out, and we also have the word June in the bottom corner if your name happens to be June. And there is also a little arrow and this little geotag with the little heart in it as well. So that is a really fun stamp set. It's going to get lots of use at my place, and that's really fun to have in your stash. So that's the June stamp set. We also have some beautiful cotton ribbon in the kit this month in this gorgeous blush color. Really good amount there. It's about 2 foot, I think, about 24 inches, 25 inches. So that's a really great quality cotton. And I've used this before. Absolutely love it. Perfect for putting at the top of your tags, using for mini albums. You can create a bow for your project. Really, really fun. We also have these 1.5 inch minty green loose leaf binder rings. Absolutely love this color. I think this is my favorite, and really fun for making mini albums, all sorts of things you can do with that. So I have also used those to put my embroidery threads on, so you can also use them as a storage option. So you can just put that on there like that, have all the colors there handy. So they are the loose leaf binder rings. You get 2 of those with the June kit. We also have these beautiful June puffy shapes. I love these ones. How fun are these puffy stickers? We've got this swimsuit in the center here, the word summer, here comes the sun, this really cute little icy pole in the bottom corner here, these super fun sunglasses, we've got a sun, these little oranges and a peach, and these little flowers are just adorable, and they come with their little leaves as well. And then we've got these little black dots which are super cute as well. So there's 30 stickers all up in that Puffy Shapes pack, and I love these. Alright, so these other things I do need to get out of their packs. So we've got the June bits and pieces, the June die cuts, the June tag set, and the paper pack. Actually, I can probably just show you these up close in their pack. So we do have 2 different things in this June bits and pieces pack. So we've got the epoxy dot stickers down the bottom in a couple of different sizes. There's 3 different sizes of each color, and then at the top here we have these chipboard bits, and they do have the little flower centers there. You can see those little yellow dots there that you can either put into the center of the flowers or not. So there's hearts and flowers included, as well as those little dot flower centers. 47 pieces all up in that little pack. Really, really fun. Okay, I will be back in a moment once I've got these things out of their packs. Okay, so I've zoomed in just a little bit for the June tag set. So there are 9 pieces included in this pack, and these are all designed to go, or they can fit into your 3x4 inch pocket page pockets. The tag shaped ones like this one here is just over 4 inches tall, but it is 3 inches wide. And these other pieces here, like these ticket shaped tags, they are 3x4 inches. So let's take a closer look at all the colors here. So we've got this beautiful multicolored stripe tag here. They do have the slotted hole at the very top, perfect for adding that blush ribbon through, as you can see. Perfect size for that. So that's that one there. We also have this grid ticket style tag. We've got this gorgeous floral tag here, pink background with little tiny yellow, white and yellow flowers. So cute. And these ones have a little cutout piece on each corner, as you can see there. So that's really cute. We have another ticket style one here, perfect for journaling. You could use your stamps or even some of those puffy stickers at the top sections there. So love that. We've got another tag here, the red background with that peachy coloured grid. Super cute. Love this one. We've got a mint diagonal gingham pattern on this ticket style tag. Another tag here with the pink section at the top there around the hole, and of course, one of my favorites, black and white polka dots. Love that one. We've got a gorgeous floral tag here, again with the little cutouts in the corners. Love that. And this final one here, we've got some notebook lines, again with the little cutouts in each of those corners. So they are the June tag set. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, here we have the June die cut shapes. There are 29 pieces included in this pack, so let's take a look. We've got these half circle pieces, perfect for making a little banner with, or you could even put these together to create a full circle. That would be fun as well. So that's those. We do have some labels here. There's one in this blush color and a yellow one, and this little label here is perfect for the date. It already has those little sections there for you. We've got a little banner piece over here with a little pale blue grid on it. We've got the gorgeous die cut florals. These are always one of my favorite things in the die cut shapes pack every month. We've got this multicolored striped strip here. Love that. There's June herself looking cute in her dress there. We've got these little leaves, 3 hearts, one in yellow, one in orange and one in pink. We've got the phrases up here, well hello sunshine, and then life is pretty peachy. We also have this little red bow, a multicolored chevron piece, and then we have 2 tags included as well. This one has this orange gingham diagonal stripe on there with a little blue piece at the top, and then we have this really sweet one with the rainbows on it. I love that. At the top here we have some labels. I love that these have the little scalloped bottom edge on them. So one of them is like a dark coral colour and the other one is a minty blue colour. There's also this tab at the top that has that black polka dot border. Love that. And then of course we have the chapter number 6 little ticket here, number 6 for June of course. So they are the June die cut shapes. Okay, here we have the June paper pack. So, as always, it comes with this piece on the front. I like to keep this and use it wherever I can. It just has a miniature version of each of the patterns included in the paper pack. So, really handy piece to keep. Alright, so let's take a look at these gorgeous patterns. So this one here, absolutely love the beautiful florals on this floral paper. So pretty. On the reverse of that one, we have this striped pattern. So it's like a dark coral and blush stripe. And then along the branding strip, we have this blue stitched scallop pattern. Okay, here we have that orange plaid. Love that one. On the reverse we have these stitched scallops, and along that branding strip is this yellow with little white flowers. That's really sweet. Next up we have the waves paper. That's really fun, perfect for anything to do with summer. On the reverse we have cross stitch. Love this one. It's really fun, and I love that it's rainbow color as well. On the branding strip of this one we have a pale pink grid. Alright, we have Ditzy Floral. Super sweet, this little pattern with the blush background and little white flowers with yellow centers. On the reverse of that, we have dots, always a favorite of mine. And then we have a rainbow striped branding strip on that one. Oh, I love this one. Oh, this will be one of my favorites, I think. It's called Bold. Love those different width of stripes and the different colors. It's really lovely paper. On the reverse, we have, oh, I don't know which one's going to be my favorite now. I love this yellow diagonal stripe. Oh, that's going to be a hard decision which side to use. All right, on the branding strip of this one, we have some little multicolored hearts. All right, next up we have a dash grid with that blush background, so pretty. On the reverse of this one's called Sunset with all those half circles, and then we have that orange plaid pattern along the branding strip. As always, we have our solid colour papers included. They always have this scalloped branding strip piece, which you can either cut off to use as an accent on your project, or you can cut the strip off the top there and use that as a 12 by 12 piece. So we have that dark coral on one side and that beautiful light pink colour on the other. And there's also the minty green on one side and yellow on the other one there. So that is the June paper pack, and I love all of these colours and patterns together. Okay, I also just wanted to show you a couple of the extras you can get in the shop. There are other things such as bow clips and so forth, so make sure you go and check it out in the shop. But one of the extras this month is this beautiful diagonal yellow striped A5 notebook. So it's got that beautiful pattern on the cover, perfect for summer or your summer adventures. And then it's got that gorgeous white paper on the inside, and it's such a beautiful quality. I'm really enjoying documenting in my other A5 notebook. It's such a fun size to use. So if you haven't tried this size, I really encourage you to give that a go. So that's the new yellow diagonal striped A5 notebook. And I just wanted to make sure you also knew that you can get beautiful white cardstock in the shop as well. This is the Essentials white cardstock in 12 by 12. So you can get that size, and you can also get a 6 by 6 size in that cardstock too. And this is my favorite white cardstock to use. So they are just two of the many extras you can get in the store. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's included in the June kit this month. Keep in mind that I don't have the journaling cards here, but if you do purchase the kit for yourself, they will definitely be included. You can also get all of these things separately in the shop. So if you weren't looking at purchasing the entire kit for yourself, but you do like a few of these things, you can get each of these things separately in the shop. So keep that in mind. I'll leave a link down below for you for the Felicity Jane store if you want to check these things out for yourself. And I look forward to bringing you some projects using this gorgeous kit very soon. But in the meantime, have a great day.